Hi guys, this is Dennis, CEO and founder of pipsmatter.com. I will be today presenting a technical analysis report for the 21st of June 2017. I'm going to be going over very important information, so make sure you put the notes down, make sure you give me focus right now because I'm going to be speaking about some major changes in the markets. If you've been following PipsMatter for some time and you are not a member, you would have probably seen the amount of the correct information that we release. Lots of pips earned, lots of events, fundamental and technical, have been predicted. If you're a member, well, you know what's going on. So just quickly to note, our members receive information before everyone else. A lot of trades are not released to the public, or if they are, they're either late or they're not sent right away, or information is released secluded, which is with the password, so you can't enter it. So if you want to receive premium information from us, you can enroll on our website. Simply go on pipsmatter.com, click the pricing button, and you will see 3 different options there. For one costs 60 euros a month, and the rest have discounts. They are quarterly and yearly plans. Now, for the technical analysis. Before I go into any kind of charts, I want you to understand where I'm coming from. First, I'm bearish on the USD right now. I was bullish till yesterday. Now I'm bearish. I am bullish on precious metals, gold and silver. I'm also bullish on oil and oil correlated currencies. That's pretty much it. That's all I wanted you to know. This is where I'm coming from. This is what's in my head, and right now I'm going to try and be Picasso and paint it for you on the chart. So give me just a moment and I'll get the chart open and we'll get this going. Okay guys, we're here. We're looking at the charts. The first one that you might notice is gold. We're looking at XAU USD. We actually reached our profit target yesterday right there. Very close to it. Actually, it was 1240, but doesn't matter. It's 20 pips. It's nothing. Right now, you can see a couple of things happening. The first one is this long-term trend line that started in June, early this month, has been broken out of. Okay, it hasn't been broken out of like this. This was news. It broke out and then back down. Something similar happened yesterday here when it broke out and went right back down. We actually broke out of it for consecutive hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 hours. And guess what we're forming? You can see that a possible head and shoulders is forming right here. This is only an hour chart, but it's still a bottom. It's still our target price range, and it's still the area in the market that I've been saying that once it's reached, I will become bullish. Well, now I have more confirmations to be bullish, and let me list it. First, we have a formation of a head and shoulders in the 1 hour chart, okay, on the bottom. We have broken trend line that's been going on for over 20 days, well, about 20 days. Price action reached my very strong 30% support level. Now, what you see here, these levels, 25%, 50%, 75%, and then 60%, these are resistance levels. Since we're above them, the confirmation that we're going to get that this is a valid head and shoulders is once 1247.5 is broken. So let me write that for you here, 1247.5. Once this is broken, we buy. So this level here. So once this is broken, we buy, or I buy. If you want, that's up to you. You do your own analysis. I'm just giving you hints and tips that what I'm doing. Now, since the difference is not very big in this, I mean, this here to there is 14 pips and the bottom here is 17 pips. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to enter my first position. Based on my balance of this account, 1.1k, almost 1.2, I'm going to be opening a 0.3 position. And I'm already in. My stop loss will be right below here. So I'm going to be taking almost, well, it's a bigger risk. 1 second. There we go. Yeah, there's my stop loss. That's my stop loss. Yeah, that's where it is. Now you have 3 options. You wait under price to retest. And I'm going to change the color of this to purple so we see it. You wait price to retest the purple area. You wait price action to break this level to 1245.5. Or you enter now. These are the 3 basic options. You wait for one of these 3 levels to be hit before you start buying. I've already started buying. I think that the US dollar is going to start becoming weak. I do find some uncertainty happening in the world, and the two main drivers for gold, the two only drivers for gold are, one, uncertainty, which there is plenty of in the world. Tensions can kick off anywhere, whether it's those tensions in North Korea, maybe the tensions in the Gulf, maybe political tensions in the UK, maybe a terrorist attack anywhere in Europe. Any of these things can drive gold up. That's uncertainty, and we have a lot of it in every part of the continent, even Antarctica. Everything's melting over there. Trump doesn't believe it, but anyway. And the second thing is the dollar, and what we're going to be going over right after this gold, after I release the targets, we're going to be going over the US dollar index. Now, my target for gold, for gold is for it to break the trend line. I'm very long-term buy, very long-term buy. I think this is the lowest price will be in a very long time. I'm serious. I really think that this is the lowest gold will be for a very long time. This is, to me, the definition of an excellent buy and hold trend trade long term, which means weeks or months. No take profit. I'm not setting a take profit. You can take profit at any of these levels. This one here, 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 or this one here. Anywhere. It's up to you. I'm just giving you what I'm doing, and I'm taking it up. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's move over to the US dollar index. So this is the US dollar index. This is the basic trend lines, the MPIs. You can see that we cannot still break this level here, and it's actually also this support level, this resistance level that has held it in the past. I really thought that US dollar the index could go all the way up here. It still can, mark my words, it still can. But I'm bearish on the dollar already. So I've covered so far gold. This is the US dollar index. It drives the dollar. I think it's going to start dropping, and I really think that it's going to be breaking the 96 area, which is this light blue line here that you see, this here. So once it breaks the 96 area, I'm good to go. I mean, my trade's going to be really solid. Finally, I'm just going to go over oil very quickly. I'm going to be making a separate video for oil, and I'm going to be covering some oil related currencies. So I already have this prepared. I'm going to show you this yellow line is a trend line support. This here green area is seller's profit taking area, and I think that many people have taken profit in this area, and especially after today's crude oil inventories, which I really believe will support the price of oil. And I think we're going to be starting a new bull run, just like we did here and here. There is downside, not too much, but there is downside. And I really think that within the next, by the time we come to next week, we're already going to be much higher in oil. We have the free lower low pattern. We have one low here, second low here, and final third low here. Still hasn't been established, but I think it's going to be getting established today. My target area is 42, maybe even beyond, but for now 48. That's my target for oil. I know I'm speaking fast. I just don't have the time to do this stuff. I mean, I got numbers to guide and teach. So now you see a lot of information here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this, I'm gonna remove this, I'm gonna remove this, and I will just leave you this here, and I'm gonna show you some. This analysis has been done a long time ago. Okay, here is the resistance. It's at the MPI. We're waiting for prices already by tomorrow to start heading downwards towards the target. USD CAD at 130. That's where I expect it to go. That's where I believe it will go. And that's what I'm going to be trading today. I'm going to be buying the Canadian dollar versus the US dollar. To summarize, I am bearish on the USD, I am bullish on gold, silver, I'm bullish on oil, and I'm bullish on oil related currencies. They are the tradable ones: Norwegian crown, Canadian dollar, Mexican peso, and Russian ruble. That's it. That's all I got for you. I really hope that this video will help you earn some money today, tomorrow, or whenever. I wish you all the best and have a super duper day. Take care.